An estimated 2 million Americans are affected by autism. Autism, or autism spectrum disorder, is a disability that can impair someone's ability to communicate and interact with others. It can affect people differently and at varying degrees. And Lucia Peixoto knows all too well about how these types of conditions can affect a family.
So my sister is actually severely intellectually impaired. I have seen my parents struggle with it, and I have made it a point of my science research career to help parents because I know how hard the struggle is.
The WSU Assistant Professor of Biomedical Sciences is doing just that with her research. She and other researchers just completed a 5-year study.
So we are interested in trying to find risk factors that may determine whether you are going to be more in the low end or the more impaired end of the spectrum or the high end of the spectrum.
She said 50% of children with autism have a learning disability, and that usually means they are more severely impaired. So they set out to find out if learning can play a role in determining how severe a person's autism will be. One phase of the research used mice. They taught mice to do a simple task, and then they looked at their genetic makeup or genome to see if there were any changes. She said they found 2,000 parts of the genome that were affected by learning and are linked to autism.
Meaning that they reside in the DNA that is inside your cells that determines a lot of what your potential difficulties or not are going to be.
Another part of the study included working with people with autism and a group who didn't have the disorder to see how they learned. They've possibly found a link between genetic makeup and predicting how severe a learning disability will be. Their work could lead to diagnosing autism sooner and better treatment for the disorder.
I strongly believe that genetics is that path that is going to let us know really early how to best help our children.
Alexa Block, KREM 2 News.